How to add a shop button to your Facebook page on your mobile device. So first you want to open up the Facebook application, and then you want to select the page that you want to work with by simply clicking the three vertical lines right here and clicking on the drop down right here and selecting the page to switch to it. Now once you are in the page, now you want to click on the name of your page right here, which should take you to your page profile. And then from here, you want to click on the button with the three dots under the professional dashboard, which should open up the page settings. And now if you do have buttons already, it should tell you edit action buttons. Otherwise, click on add action button and then click on edit buttons. And then basically you will need to select the buttons that you want to add to your page. In this case, we want a shop button, so we want to scroll down and click on view shop, check the box next to it, and then you can customize it, whether you want to set up a Facebook shop or you want to connect another tool, or you want to basically specify a simple link to your shop. And you can type the URL right here if you want to. So whenever somebody clicks on the button on your page, they should be taken to your shop directly. And now you can basically go back to your page and refresh, and you should be able to see the button. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.